There's some really cool things about these lighting stalks that I can get here in Kota Kinabalu, East Malaysia. One of which is you can break this into 6 sections. It is fully programmable. Okay, so you just have to kind of bear with the funky, cheap remote control. But, yeah, this thing can do stuff. It's really pretty cool. And the next thing is when you're done with it, say, done with it in East Malaysia and you're going to take it back to America, you break it down. It's got a USB plug on it. You put it in your luggage, close it up, and fly it back to America and plug it back into any little dongle that you might have. And this thing will start to work again. And it's so cool. Oh, the other thing is if you pick the right color light at night, you can close your eyes and you won't even know that the room is lit. Really cool. Bye.